Hi, Jen.
So what did Matt say?
Jen.
How far back do we have to go?
It's going to be this full 8-foot section to the middle of the arbor,
Okay.
and all the way across on the other side of the patio to the fence as well.
Okay, so I think first job is to save and move these perennials, right? This peonies, this is still peony. Once we get these out of the ground, they could go here or somewhere else in the yard. So this is almost flat like a pancake. Look how shallow this root system is. Perfect. Let's go get that peony out. We'll dig a nice root ball straight down around the base of the plant, and we'll try to get it up and into the pot. 1, 2, 3. Maybe put your hands on the bottom so it...
Yeah, I got you.
Perfect. We're gonna have to tuck some of these roots in here, which is totally fine. All right, so now it's time to address this climbing rose at the corner of your foundation. So what we're gonna do is start with cutting it back to about 12 inches. You don't need all of this. The plant needs to put its energy into the roots and its transplant. This is an old one right here. Oh, that was a good one. And this is just gonna make it so much better. All right, so we just wanna cut right above where the leaf, where there's a V, and that will help with promoting the new leaves to come out. All right, so how old do you think this rose is?
From what I understand, Evan's grandmother, Susan's mother, brought back a slip of this after a family trip to Cape Cod. Probably 40 years.
So let's try to save it.
Yeah.
All right, so here's our pre-dug hole. So what we're gonna do, already looks way too deep, right? So we're gonna hold them in place. So we want this part at soil level,
Okay.
where it was, and then hold it in place, and we'll backfill it so it could go naturally where the root wants to go.
Okay.
That makes sense?
Yeah.
I believe your rose will be in full force again. Just don't forget to put a rose fertilizer on it and water it every day.
Yeah, we do want to take care of these. I know these mean a lot to my mother-in-law.
Wow, Evan, great progress over here.
Thanks. Yeah, it's a little sad how easily it comes up after how hard it was to put down 10 years ago.
Well,
It's right when we first started dating. If I wanted to come hang out with, you know, this cute guy, I had to come back here and help put in a slate patio.
that is so sweet, you guys. At least you know you have a good base.
That we do.
So you, Whitney, help me. We have to take this retaining wall down to the middle part of this pergola, the
Okay.
arborway. So we're gonna stockpile that as well. So what I'll do over here, Evan, you keep on that and we'll
Sure.
hit these up.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.